Good morning, first grade. Today is lesson 88 for Saxon Phonics, but today is more of a spelling lesson, and so we're going to just jump right in. So I have written a word on my board. We're going to look at the first word right here. Look at this word, and what do you see at the end? Right, there is a suffix, and it's suffix ing. So we usually have boxed suffixes first, and then we code the rest of the word. This makes the word easier to divide. But what if we decide to code the whole word at once? If we divide the word, suffix and all, into syllables, we end up with the same word. That's not the easiest way to do it, but it does work. So let's code this word, dividing it into syllables, and we'll pretend we don't know that ing is a suffix, okay? So we're looking for obvious coding, and I see digraph ng to underline. And I see 2 vowels with a consonant in the middle. So we divide before the consonant. That means the first I gets a macron. It is long, says I. And the second I is short because it is in between consonants. So this is how to code the word without looking at the suffix. And so this word is sliding. Sliding. So this method worked, even though we know that sliding is actually a root word with a suffix added. So there's a special name for words like this. A root word with a suffix added is called a derivative. Can you say the word derivative? Say it one more time. Derivative. So what is the suffix again on sliding? The suffix is ing. And what is the root word? Slide. Very good. Now I'm going to cover up ing. Does this say slide? What's missing? What do we need at the end of a word if it has a long vowel? Sneaky E. We're missing the sneaky E. There's no E in this word. Let's look at a new spelling rule. Okay, so I have some more words written on my board. I have some root words: ice, bake, serve. Okay, and I have some suffixes: y, ed, ing. Are these vowel suffixes or consonant suffixes? They are vowel suffixes because they start with vowels. Remember, sometimes Y makes a vowel sound. So Y, E, and I. These are vowel suffixes. So let's look at what's happening here. We're going to start with the root word. Okay, we're going to start with ice. And the plus sign tells us that we're going to add suffix Y. So what do you notice about the final word? We dropped the E. The E is taken away. Let's look at other examples. So we have the root word bake, and we're adding suffix ed. Now this word, if we just added it, there would be 2 E's. We dropped an E. Let's look here. Serve plus ing. Is there an E over here? No, we drop the E. So in each of these words, the final E was dropped before the suffix was added. Okay, so we're going to look at some new words too. I'm going to write them on the back. Give me one moment. I'm going to write again a root word plus a suffix and the new word. We're going to look at 2 more. Okay, so we have two root words. We have care and safe, and we have two suffixes, less and ly. Are these suffixes vowel suffixes or consonant suffixes? Right, these are consonant suffixes this time. They both start with a consonant, both start with L. So when we put care plus less, we get careless. Did we lose any letters? No. Let's look at the second example. We have safe plus ly equals safely. Did we lose any letters? No, we did not drop the E this time. So we are learning the dropping rule for spelling, okay? The dropping rule says that sneaky or silent E is dropped before a vowel suffix, okay? So we are going to go back to the first side and we're going to do a checking process, okay? So the root word is going to get a check mark if it ends with a silent E. The suffix will get a check mark if it is a vowel suffix, okay? If we have two check marks, then we drop the silent E. So let's look. Ice ends with a vowel. Check. Is Y a vowel suffix? Check. So we drop the E. Bake ends with sneaky E. Check. Suffix ed is a vowel suffix. Check. So we drop the E. Serve has a sneaky E. Check. Suffix ing is a vowel suffix. Check. We drop the E. Okay, so let's look on this side. Does care have a sneaky E? Yes. Is suffix less a vowel suffix? No. We don't have two check marks, so we don't drop the E. Safe has sneaky E, but ly is not a vowel suffix. No two check marks, no dropping the E. Okay? So now we are going to, I think that's it. We're going to get ready for our worksheet.